Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to implement roll-up summary fields, formulas, and validations in Salesforce. This is essential for automatically calculating totals across related records and enforcing data quality rules without manual intervention. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Setup Gear icon in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface and click on Object Manager. This is your central hub for managing all objects and their configurations. Once you're in Object Manager, use the search bar to locate your master object. For this example, we'll use account, but you can apply this to any master object in your org. After selecting your master object, click on the Fields and Relationships tab. This is where all your custom and standard fields live. Click the New button to create a new field. From the data type options presented, select Rollup Summary and click Next. This field type is specifically designed to perform calculations on child records and display the results on the parent record. Now you'll enter your field label. Something like total opportunity works well as it clearly describes what the field calculates. Click Next to proceed. On the next screen, you'll see a drop-down labeled Summarized Object. Select the child object you want to aggregate data from, such as opportunities. This establishes the relationship between your parent and child records. Next, choose your rollup type from the available options: count, sum, min, or max. Each serves a different purpose depending on what metric you need. If you selected sum, you'll need to choose which field to aggregate from the field to aggregate dropdown. For instance, selecting amount will sum all opportunity amounts. Click Next when ready. The following screen handles field level security. Here you'll determine which user profiles can view or edit this field. Make your selections and click Next. If your org uses dynamic forms, you'll be prompted to select which pages should display this field. Choose the appropriate ones and click Next. Finally, select the page layouts where you want this roll-up summary field to appear, then click Save. Now let's add a validation rule to enforce business logic. In Object Manager, select the same master object you used earlier, then click on Validation Rules from the sidebar. Click New to create a rule. Enter a descriptive rule name like total_ops_limit that clearly indicates what the rule checks. In the error condition formula field, enter your formula. For example, total_opportunity_C space greater than space 1000, replacing total_opportunity_C with your actual rollup field API name. Always click Check Syntax to ensure your formula is error-free before proceeding. Next, enter your error message. Something like total opportunities exceed limit gives users clear feedback when the validation triggers. Select where you want this error to display using the error location dropdown, such as top of page for maximum visibility. Finally, click Save to activate your validation rule. You've now successfully created a roll-up summary field that automatically calculates values and a validation rule that maintains data integrity. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.